Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Hazel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to teach you guys step by step on how to unfreeze your Alipay Tour Pass step by step without any stress. But before I get today's tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about Alipay or Alipay Tour Pass, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you want to join my paid class where I coach you step by step on how you too can be a successful independent importer, that is an importation you can do without involvement of any agent. If that sounds what you need, you can feel free to join my paid class. All you have to do is to contact me via the phone number on the screen of this video. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688 Tahoba or Pinduoduo or Fish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you can as well contact me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. Let us talk more about importation business if you have interest. Okay, like I said earlier guys, I'm going to teach you step by step on how you can unfreeze your Alipay Tour Pass. Okay, so let's get straight to the tutorial. So the first thing you need to do is to access your Alipay right here. This is my Alipay. I'm going to click on it right away. All right, so from the very point here, you need to look for a tour pass. You have to click on that. All right, so here's the tour pass. Let me give you a brief information as far as tour pass freezing is concerned. Now, in some cases, if your tour pass is frozen and you have sent mail to Alipay Tour Pass, they ask you to revoke your card. This video is going to help you on a proper step to take. All you have to do in some cases, if your Alipay Tour Pass is frozen, you click on here to fill the detail. So let me just click on that so I'll show you guys what I'm trying to talk about. So you may be asked to send mail to Tour Pass, just like what you see on the screen right here. And in some cases, if you send mail to Tour Pass, they might still ask you to revoke your card. What's the revoking of card simply means that you have to close the Tour Pass account. Why do you have to close the Tour Pass account is because without closing the Tour Pass account, you will not be able to have a very new Tour Pass account. So in this regard, you can either do this thing before your Alipay Tour Pass expire, or you do it when your Alipay Tour Pass expire. So you can take the step anytime you wish to revoke the card. So the first step we are going to take to unfreeze this particular Alipay Tour Pass is to revoke the card by closing up the account. So what you have to do is to click on here to revoke the card so that you can close the account. So I'm going to click on that. All right, so here you need to click on close account. So here just click on confirm and continue. All right, so you have to click on refund now. So this simply means that this amount of RMB here is going to be refunded back to my card. So here you have to select your card. So I'm going to select this particular card right here. So I'm selecting this card. So it means that the refund of this 38.8 RMB is going to be on this particular card right here. Okay, and you can see the refund will take effect from today till next 15 business day, which means I'm going to get this fund back to my bank card in the next 2 weeks rather. Okay, So you have to click on apply. Okay. Then you have to click on confirm. So you can see, please check the result in the history. All you have to do is to click on OK. The refund is applied. Just click on OK. All right. So you can see right here that there is no any amount left right here in my Alipay Tour Pass. So which simply means that I have closed this account as a result of Alipay Tour Pass frozen. Okay. So in the next 2 weeks, this fund will get to my uh, bank card from Alipay Tour Pass. So after getting the fund into my bank card, so I will be able to, and then when this particular tour pass expire in this day and this month of this particular year, once it expire, then I will be able to open a new Alipay Tour Pass that can be used to procure or to pay any Chinese supplier on 1688, Tahoba, or on Pinduoduo. Okay, so in the next video, I'm going to teach you guys how you can open a new Alipay Tour Pass after you have successfully revoked the Alipay Tour Pass frozen from your Alipay app. I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. And also, if you have not yet subscribed, you can subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell. So whenever I upload content about Alipay or Alipay Tour Pass, you'll get notified. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to coach you step by step on how you too can be a successful independent importer, how you can pay supplier, how you can be an procurement agent, you can feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen of this video if you have interest to join my paid class. And lastly but not the least, if you would like me to pay your Chinese supplier on 1688 Tahoba or on Pinduoduo, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you can as well reach me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.